A hotkey is just a key or combination of keys that give us direct access to a machine function. Here are the hotkeys for our most popular coolant and air options on both Haas Mills and lathes. On Haas Mills, a push of the coolant button is going to turn on our coolant, pressurizing our coolant ring, our P-cool, our washdown hose, and most enclosure washdown nozzles. Pressing the Shift plus Coolant hotkey combination will enable our auto air gun, if the option's installed. Pressing the Aux Coolant key will turn on our TSC, our through spindle coolant. And finally, Shift plus Aux Coolant will turn on our tab, our through tool air blast. Now there are M codes that control all of these functions to turn them on and off from within a program or from MDI. M08 and M09 are for our coolant. M83, M84 for our auto air gun. M88, M89 for our TSC, 300 or 1000 PSI. And M73, M74 for our tab, our through tool air blast. Those are the hotkeys for our Haas Mills. Now our Haas lathes have different options, so they're going to make use of different hotkeys. On Haas lathes, pressing the coolant key will pressurize the coolant ports on our turret, along with our washdown hose and any enclosure washdown nozzles. Pressing Shift and then Coolant on a Haas lathe will give us different results based on how the machine is equipped. If you have an HPC, high pressure coolant pump on your machine, like this SB28Y does, then pressing Shift plus Coolant will turn that on. Our HPC uses the same coolant ports as our standard coolant. Here, check this out. This is coolant. This is Shift plus Coolant, our high pressure coolant. Now, if your lathe does not have the high pressure coolant pump installed, but you do have the chuck air blast option, then pressing the Shift plus Coolant hotkey is going to turn on that main spindle chuck air blast instead. We're not going to let that hotkey go to waste. From within a program or from MDI, M08 and M09 will control our coolant. M88, M89, our HPC high pressure coolant. And M12, M13 will control our chuck air blast. On newer 19-inch controls, we can also swipe left from the main screen to see every available option on that particular machine, along with quick keys to turn those options on and off. This is a great new feature. As we wrap up, we are going to leave you with this list of hotkeys for both mills and lathes. That's it. Thanks for watching this Haas Tip of the Day.